We are now going to look at an object's states and the slide's notes. States are merely minor variations of a specific object on the slide, and you adjust the overall appearance of that object based on the learner's interaction with it. There are 7 common states. They are normal, hidden, hover, down, visited, selected, and disabled. Let's look how to insert and edit an object's state. First, you will need to ensure the States panel is open and you have a Slides object selected. The States panel will be empty until you select an object. The first thing you will see at the top of the panel is an Edit States button and an Initial State drop-down menu. You will only have 2 options in the Initial States menu: normal and hidden. Hidden means that even though the object is visible on the timeline, when the slide's timeline starts, the object will not be visible to the learner. You might use this to create engagement with the learner by having him or her perform an activity. And when they complete the desired task, the state will change to normal and be visible to the learner. Since you can't specifically say when the action would be completed, you can't set the entrance or appearance at a specific point on the timeline. When you select the Edit States button, you will be able to add new states to the object or edit the existing states. When you select the new state icon, a pop-up window with a drop-down menu will appear. You can type in a custom name for the new state, or you can use the drop-down menu to add a pre-built state. The pre-built states will include the programming already assigned, along with the visual variations to distinguish them from each other. When you create a custom state, you will need to program the actions and visual variations yourself. The Notes panel is where you can type in the audio voiceover that will accompany the on-screen content, or any content that you want a learner to be able to see as he or she views the lesson. Most developers will use the Notes panel to appear at the side of the on-screen content and have the words in the Notes panel be the audio voiceover as a way to ensure an equitable learning experience for the hearing impaired. If you choose to do this, you may not need to provide closed captions. We will talk more about the Notes panel and its use in the player in a later video.